Alright, what's up? We are currently waiting for a train. Park right there.
Hurry up, don't hear him.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Park right there. By those rocks.
I know.
Okay. Right here is good. Sounds like SD70 Ace. Signals are green. Get her about to go down. Get to go down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What? Go down. Okay, 10, 9. Yeah, I knew it. Where's the train? There it is. Sounds like a short one. He's going fast. He is zooming. He is zooming. He is zooming. Zoomy zoom. Sorry, my camera's dark. Turn the car back on. Let's roll each other. He is moving. He is moving. He is really moving. He's going fast. He is moving. He is moving. He was really moving. Oh my God. I'm still getting a breeze from that. How cool is that? We will see y'all next Friday. Yeah.